Howard Marks is a highly respected investor and the co-founder and co-chairman of Oaktree Capital Management, one of the world's leading alternative investment management firms. Here is some background information on Howard Marks. Early life and education. Howard Marks was born on April 23, 1946, in New York City, United States. He attended the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, where he graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Economics and a major in Finance. Career start. After completing his education, Marks began his career in finance. He worked at Citibank before pursuing his Master of Business Administration, MBA, at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. Time at TCW. In 1985, Marks joined Trust Company of the West, TCW, a Los Angeles-based investment management firm. During his tenure at TCW, he managed high-yield bond funds and became widely recognized for his expertise in distressed debt investing. Co-founder of Oaktree Capital Management. In 1995, Howard Marks, along with a group of partners, founded Oaktree Capital Management, an investment firm specializing in alternative assets. Writings and memos. Throughout his career, Marks has shared his investment insights and market commentary through memos. These memos, which are widely circulated and eagerly anticipated by investors, have earned him a reputation as a thought leader in the investment community. Howard Marks's memos cover a wide range of investment-related topics, and each memo may have its unique focus. However, some common themes and main points that can be found in his memos include market cycles. Marks often discusses the concept of market cycles, emphasizing the importance of recognizing where the market stands in terms of the economic cycle and adjusting investment strategies accordingly. Risk management. He emphasizes the significance of risk management in investing. Understanding and managing risk is crucial for successful long-term investing. Contrarian thinking. Marks encourages contrarian thinking and the ability to go against the crowd. He advises investors to be cautious when sentiment becomes overly optimistic or pessimistic. The importance of patience. Marks advocates for patience in investing and avoiding impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Psychology of investing. He explores the psychological aspects of investing, such as fear, greed, and the impact of emotions on decision-making. Capital preservation. Marks stresses the importance of preserving capital during times of market uncertainty and volatility. High-yield investing. Being a pioneer in high-yield investing, Marks discusses opportunities and risks associated with distressed debt and other high-yield investments. Global economy and geopolitical risks. He analyzes global economic trends and the potential impact of geopolitical risks on investment strategies. Long-term investing. Marks advocates for a long-term approach to investing and understanding that successful investing often requires patience and discipline. Market valuations. He evaluates market valuations and discusses the relationship between asset prices and underlying fundamentals. Investor behavior. Marks often shares insights into investor behavior, biases, and the importance of staying rational in the face of market fluctuations. Opportunities in distressed assets. Being a distressed debt specialist, he discusses opportunities and challenges in distressed asset investing. To fully grasp the insights he provides, it's best to read the memos directly and in their entirety, which are publicly available through Oaktree Capital Management's website or other financial platforms. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Investor Affairs.